Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image in Gimp and immediately check image scale image so you know current pixels and x/y resolution. Once done, decide whether you need exact pixel dimensions or a percentage reduction. This affects image quality. Make sure to note the image's resolution, PPI, because interpolation depends on it. Now you're ready. Keep aspect ratio locked unless you intentionally change width versus height, and prepare your target number in px or percent for the next step. You will now enter the target width or height in the Scale Image dialog, using px for exact size or percent for proportional change. Once entered, choose interpolation. Cubic or no halo gives smoother results for photographs, while linear is faster but rougher. Also, make sure the chain icon is locked to preserve aspect ratio. Unlocking will let you stretch. Click Scale and watch the preview. If you need multiple images, consider recording these settings as a resize action or note them for batch processing later. You finish by exporting. File export as, select Format and adjust quality. For JPEG, use around 80–90% to balance size and look. For PNG, keep transparency. Once exported, check the file at 100% zoom to confirm sharpness. If the image looks soft, reopen the original and try a different interpolation or increase the output resolution slightly, then rescale. Finally, for many images, use batch process or a script to apply the same settings consistently and save time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.